Hey yogis, I want to bring up a sensitive topic, and that is saying namaste, beginning of class, end of class, any place in the context of a yoga class. And I have to share a personal anecdote. When I first started taking yoga as a result of a hit and run, and it took me a year to do a complete yoga class, because all I could do was Shavasana for a long time, and then maybe child's pose, maybe knees to chest. Saying namaste made me feel like this was something different. This was something special. This was going to work. There was a medicine to it, a healing energy to simply saying that. And even if I couldn't do not a single other pose, but lying down Shavasana and then bringing my palms together at the end, it made me feel whole and complete, and that was enough. And from doing 5% that first class and little by little over here being able to do an entire class, it wasn't the poses that brought me back. It was that unity and that feeling, the energy, something I couldn't even explain or fully understand, of namaste, from my heart to your heart. I wonder what your experience was.